Hi, this is Dr. Mapakshi at Wellness MD Care. As part of the gut microbiome series, today let's talk about probiotics and prebiotics. There are over 100 trillion microorganisms in the gut, which we collectively call the gut microbiome. We call the other name for this is probiotics. These are diverse bacteria that reside in your gut. They do various functions. It is a symbiotic relationship, meaning you give them home and they do certain things in exchange. Like they help digest the food, they produce certain vitamins, they play an important role in immune defense. They also act as a barrier between our body's filter and helps to digest the food and absorb it properly as well. Today, I want to talk about some of the foods that can help diversify the gut microbiome. So, of the gut microbiome, there are two main bacteria that are very helpful. So, they are called lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, and they produce a substance called butyric acid, which again helps to feed the cells that line the intestine as well. So these bacteria can be taken in as supplements. So we call that probiotics. So especially when you're on antibiotics, you want to take probiotics so that it helps to avoid any downside of taking the antibiotic. As you know, the antibiotic kills the good bacteria in the gut too, and so we want to repopulate the gut with good bacteria. So taking probiotics along with antibiotics helps minimize the side effects that can be seen with the probiotics. The second thing I want to talk about is prebiotics. So the prebiotics are actually food for the probiotics. So these are fiber-rich foods that help nourish the bacteria. So for examples of prebiotics are the fiber that's present in apple, asparagus, bananas, chicory, eggplant, flaxseed, garlic, onion, artichoke, leeks, legumes. So all of these has a lot of soluble and also insoluble fiber, which the bacteria can feed on. And so when you're giving them adequate food, they obviously flourish. So those are the two things. Dairy and non-dairy containing probiotics. Some of the examples of dairy we talked about, and the best way to get probiotics is yogurt. There have been a lot of studies showing that yogurt does help establish these bacteria in the colon. And then there are non-dairy probiotics, which are fermented vegetables, kimchi, kombucha, miso, natto, tempeh. So these are all some examples of non-dairy probiotics.